Here is information on winter storm warning for the following county: Fond du Lac County, Wisconsin. Winter storm warning in effect from midnight Wednesday night to noon Thursday. Blizzard watch in effect from Thursday afternoon through Thursday evening. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow and blowing snow, which is in effect from midnight Wednesday night to noon Thursday. A blizzard watch has also been issued. This blizzard watch is in effect from Thursday afternoon through Thursday evening. Timing: light snow will diminish this afternoon and end. The more significant snow will begin Wednesday evening and diminish Thursday afternoon and evening. Heaviest snow expected from early Thursday morning to about noon Thursday. Snow accumulations: 10 to 16 inches. Thinner snow with rates of 2 to 3 inches per hour may briefly occur. Winds northeast 10 to 20 miles an hour Wednesday night, becoming northwest 20 to 30 miles an hour on Thursday, with gusts at 35 to 45 miles an hour. Impacts: travel becoming difficult late Wednesday night and continuing through Thursday evening. Significant blowing and drifting snow and potential for near zero visibility, whiteouts, and blizzard conditions Thursday afternoon and evening. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. A blizzard watch means there is a potential for falling and or blowing snow with strong winds and extremely poor visibilities. This can lead to whiteout conditions and make travel very dangerous.